neon shirt that matches his neon car. Here's Chris after one of the hardest runs of his life.
4 miles up to Lowe's Bald Spot on the Appalachian Trail.
How did it go?
Well, let's see. I did 4 miles in 52 minutes. That tells you how
You're in my face.
easy it was.
Awesome.
It's amazing up there.
You covered in mud? There is the mud.
That's Appalachian Trail mud right there.
Oh, wait. There's some more. There's some more mud. There you go. And this concludes Chris's first,
New Hampshire.
yeah.
Other guy said you can't trail run in New Hampshire. It's just power hiking.
Okay, there you have it. Yeah.
So this is part of the Tuckerman Ridge Trail, and we opted to not get all the way up to our destinations because the clouds are coming in strong. But it's been a very rocky and challenging hike. So there's the clouds. Nasty. The giant rocks of the Tuckerman Ravine and the White Mountains of New Hampshire. You can say hi now. We miss you, girls. Alright, this is going to be shaky, but I'm taking you guys up to the big waterfall here. I think it's called Crystal Falls or something like that. I'm going to come up even a little higher. Oh, it's raining on us a little bit here, so I hope the lens doesn't get wet. There it is. What? All right. The thunder is booming above us, so we are. Here's some perspective. There's Mommy. All right. There's Daddy. Hi! It's raining, so I'm putting the camera away. Okay. This just looks like Jill standing in front of a rock. But wait, it's George Washington. At least that's what all the innkeepers tell us. See that spitting image up there? Right there. Right there, George Washington. Awesome. Okay, this is Jackson Falls, which is the waterfall that made the rich people from New York City want to move here and vacation here. So let's see what we got. Stepping oh so precariously to the water's edge. Waterfield, mighty cold.
Good Chris, get ready to go jump in. Take a dip. This is what it's going to dip into. Oh, there he goes. Get ready to dive. Oh, he found a smaller one he can handle when he uses the dip. There we go. He's going to dip in. And it might be really cold. What do you guys think? I think it's freezing.
So when we come back with Maisie and Lucy, we can sit on those rocks right there.
Those rocks right there.
Right? Doesn't that look awesome?
Yeah, absolutely.
little rainy and cold right now. Otherwise, Mom would go do it.